Kandy Sports Club, hot on attack, numbers on the outside. Tarinder Ratwata gives it out and Kavindu, he goes over for the third try. The weight of expectation on the shoulders of this CRNFC team have increased given their big defeat last weekend to Havelocks Sports Club. But we all know what a wounded team and what sort of an entrance they could make given their history. The next 80 minutes will decide who ends the first round in which position on the table. As the two teams are being introduced to the dignitaries, we prepare to have a look at the team sheets and the team news. And first up, Kandy Sudarshana.
Yeah, Kandy Sports Club, just the change I can see from last weekend, Romario, when they travelled to Police Park. They've gone with their tried and tested front row of Malitha Vijayasundara, Dilshad Farid and Milan Veerasinghe. Thilna Bandar experience coming in alongside Chatura Soisa.
Senra Perera, Venra Kodagota and Tanuja Jayavira, the first change. Naveen Marasinghe comes into the login position with Achitha Radishan, and Adisha Veeratunga, Samitha Varnakulasuriya and Ravin De Silva round off the 8 for CRNFC. Ravin Alexander has been given the duties of the man in charge, with Jivaka Fonseca and Charni Lianage on the touchlines supporting the referee. As Tenuka Nanakara changes sides and puts up the kickoff of this game. Let bounce by Kandy Sports Club, but somehow securing it. However, a knock-on first of all, Sudarshana.
Great start for CRNFC. That's why they did kick it into space, and Kandy making the mistake of letting that ball bounce.
Very clear penalty for referee Ravin Alexander.
Line out one, this time from the right side. CRNFC now to their trusted maul they go. Good pressure coming in. Venra Kodagoda at the tail. He's well marshalled by Tilina Bandara. Here goes CRNFC, and have they got the first commercial bank try? By the looks of it, they have. Try number 1 for CRNFC, and they ensure that they return to their half with points. Shanaka.
Brilliant work by CRNFC. Opportunity for Dure to add the extras, and he does. No problem. 7 points to nil in the 7th minute of the game.
As Amanat goes for the box kick.
This is better from Sia, and the chase is good as well, putting Heshan Jansen under a lot of pressure.
Heshan Jansen takes a couple of defenders, but still in his half, as Srinath Surya Bandara, with nothing much on, finds boot to ball. Now Tarinder Ratwata rushed in, ball being intercepted by Danushka Ranjan, and he will go over for Kandy Sports Club's commercial bank try number 1. Kandy Sports Club strike straight away.
You cannot give Kandy away.
First charge has been negated, but Kandy Sports Club through their winger, and the ball has been dotted down in the corner for yet another commercial bank try. By the looks of it, that's Danushka Ranjan getting his second commercial bank try. Heshan Jansen barking out instructions. This time around, Senura binds a bit longer. Good pressure coming in from the opposite end. Dahan breaks through the hands. Here goes Nigel, gives it inside. That's Dinale Kanayaka, bounces off a couple, but he's well marshalled by Manil Karuberu. Still using the inside ball does the skipper. Kandy Sports Club hot on attack, numbers on the outside. Tarinder Ratwata gives it out, and Kavindu, he goes over for the third commercial bank try, as Kandy Sports Club hit back not once, twice, but 3 times.
And if you're watching it superficially, you think Tarinder Ratwata's missed 3 kicks and they're 15 instead of 21. But if you're watching it a layer deeper, you know that he's the reason that they're in front.
Yamunu Chetia bumping his opposite number. Kudalige that was. Farid trying to find that turnover, but CR still with possession. Adisha Veeratunga well marshalled by Dinaleka Nayaka and Tilina Bandara. Who else does Tilina Bandara? He finds himself in the loose and wins yet another turnover for Kandy Sports Club.
All kudos to Tilna Bandara. He's doing so much work that Vavel Pandita Shanaka mentioned does normally for Kandy Sports Club. Absolutely brilliant stuff from Kandy to go into half time, and it's their defense that they can thank for the score line being 7 points to 15 and them being in front.
As we go into half time, well, the game is evenly poised here at London Place. An exhilarating first half came to an end with CRNFC trailing by 8 points. And we are moments away from kicking off this second half here at London Place. If we manage to break open that door, we might be in for an exhilarating second half, as well as Murshid Zubair clears his lines of the restart kick in the second half. Here goes Omalka from 9. Amanit trying to swerve his way through, but he's brought down. Quick ball coming for the home team. Venura Kodagoda chucks it under his arm and he goes straight. The referee says that the poacher on that occasion was legal, but he's going back for the advantage. Line offside.
Number 12 and 13.
Number 12 and 13 for Kandy Sports Club. The centre pairing have been caught offside. Pretty much from right under the black dot on the crossbar. Makes no mistake, does Murshid Dore. Cuts a deficit to just 5 points. CRNFC score first in this second half. He's brought down. Tilina Bandara through the hands. Brought to the floor. That was Kudalige. Here goes Kandy Sports Club, and they have scored the first try in this second half. The first Commercial Bank try in this second half, scored by Dahan for Kandy Sports Club, and they extend their lead further.
As Tarendra Atwata looks to add the extras and does so easily this time. 22 points to send, and suddenly from a 5-point game it's a 12-point game, and Kerala Mihisara's inclusion has really ignited this Kandy team.
However, Kandy Sports Club through Jansen, through the back door, hands, numbers on the outside. Here goes Kavindu. Will he go on the corner? Yes, he does. And he, by the looks of it, seals the deal for Kandy Sports Club with a Commercial Bank try. CRNFC fans, look away right now.
An outstanding try from Kandy. We were talking about the fact that they didn't, and the conversion is good too from Tarendra Atwata. And he's doing it on the CRNFC home pavilion side as well. So he'll have a little chuckle to himself as he runs back. He was on the sidelines for a while until the doctors were absolutely sure he's recovered. As Omalka Gururatna goes off on one of those trademark runs.
A signature run as he puts Wajid Fahmy on his back. But well, there's the Kandy Sports Cup pair coming in. As the Kandy fans are going bananas up here in the pavilion. As Tarendra Atwata makes no mistake. The fans aren't too happy with something. But now it's just the players are going hard at each other. Hammer and tongs. Ravin De Silva still running hard. Kick comes in by Murshid Dore as Dina Lekanayaka boots the ball dead, and that's that. Kandy Sports Club avenge their defeat over CRNFC as they come to London Place and put up a marker. 5 tries for the visitors in reply to the home team's single try and solitary penalty. Kandy Sports Club remain unbeaten as the full-time score reads 32 points to 10 Sudarshana, and the Kandy fans, they are vocal and they are extremely happy. The key stats, of course, Kandy with 5 tries, CR with 1, 2 conversions for Kandy and 1 conversion, and a penalty each for both sides.